I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your bullish bit brought to you by Bitrefill.com, your one-stop shop for living on a Bitcoin standard. Sign up and grab gift cards for eSIMs, gaming, e-commerce, your travel needs, food, and much more, and you can buy them all with Bitcoin and Lightning. Sign up today and use code BTC Sessions 10 for some special perks.
I'd be interested in how much do the people pushing back against it actually understand about it? Do they have a lot of misconceptions, or do they actually understand it pretty well but still, push back?
They don't understand it at all. Like there's very little, and it's not like most of the stuff I've encountered isn't too much of a pushback because they're seeing the benefits for some of the speakers there that come from areas where they know that the government is bad. And Roya Mahbub, who lives in Afghanistan, who basically was running the women's robotics team. No women were allowed bank accounts, and she couldn't figure out how to pay the women that were working for her. And she started using Bitcoin in like 2014 or something like that. And then the Afghani government was like, okay, well, so obviously you need to die. And like basically threatened her life. But it was a mechanism through which she could have financial freedom in a system that basically said women are not allowed to transact without the permission of a man. And so they hear these stories. And so they're like, okay, I get it. I get how that's useful. But they have yet to grapple with how that's possible. There's also an ongoing kind of ESG narrative that is kind of conflicting with that. Like, oh, divest from things that enrich people that you don't like, but also having a financial freedom track with Bitcoin. If you divest from that because a bad person can use it, it means that you lose all the benefits of financial freedom for the little guy. So I think there's just a lot of people need to really change the way they think about all of this stuff. And it's going to take time. And that's fine.